Hello, I have created a project financial detective using Olama uh, model name Llama 3.2.0, and financial detective has been extracted data from the Reliance Annual Report 2024-25. Extract data has been extracted from the PDF uh, 5 page report, and this is the my knowledge graph schema, JSON schema, whether we have captured data from the Reliance Annual Report PDFs, and this is my Olama model extracting codes, whether data has been extracted from the PDF, saved in the path of code with the named Reliance Annual Report 2024-25. Okay, and this is Olama payload, whether we have uh, passed. Uh, this is our prompt, and these prompts has been extracted report from the PDFs, and this is graph JSON dot output created for the creating knowledge graph. So I'm running my Python visualizing graph class, and that will generate knowledge graph.html to uh, present the specific financial detective visualization graph. It's running. It's completed, so I'll go into reveal file explorer. This is my knowledge graph just created in 1636. So let's click it out, and yeah, it's the visualization of the financial detective graph. This is heading financial detective knowledge graph. This is entity type, whether company, person, dollar amount, risk factors, sectors, location, and product has been shown in the graph with different colors. So let's understand. This is Reliance Industries root, and this is their child companies like Reliance Energy, Reliance Jio Infocom, and they have a revenue, net profit, location, and owner of the branch. Like here, Akash Mukesh Ambani is the owner of currently Reliance Jio Infocom, and the root level having multiple companies like Reliance O2C, oil to chemical, um, Reliance Videocom, 18 Media, like other companies, and it's directly operating by the Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani's, and this is one of the Reliance Retail Ventures, and Reliance Retail Ventures having multiple child label available like Fashion and Lifestyles, Business Space, Families, Reliance Retail. This one is GeoMart, Reliance Digital, Azio. These are the sub branch companies of the Reliance Retail, and here is their stores, revenues, list of the stores, and all. Their revenue, company wise revenue is showing here, fashion and all. So if we'll going with, these are the basically risk factor highlighting by the color yellow. And if I'm going with some filter is appear over the screen, so I'll go with first filter. This one, this filter especially work to highlight a specific company. Like if I want to go with Reliance Retail Ventures, then rest of all routes is going to grayed out. So Reliance Retail Ventures is highlighting, rest of all branches going to grayed out. This is the Reliance Ventures and this is their main company. Okay, and if I'll go with the other companies, like if I go with the Reliance Geo Infocom, so if I'm checking, so only Reliance Geo Infocom is showing highlighted, rest of is going grayed out. Okay, reset filter. If I'm going to sub level filter, then here are the two type of filter. We can figure it out by the relationship type or entity type. If I go with the entity type, here I can figure it out by the entity type, entity name, entity category, entity ID and all. So let's go with the entity type. Here is company, uh, company, person, risk, dollar amount. So if I go with the companies, so only company and filter, so only company will show here. These are the company. If I want to check company with the dollar amount, so if I'm going to filter, they are company with the dollar amount will show over here. If I want to add some more filter like person and filter it out, then company and like their owner is by Ambani, Anand, Akash Ambani, they are showing there, owner of the companies. Okay, now reset filter and go with the relationship type, and putting some other like entities type, and I can check if I want to check the effect, risk and located in, filter it out, then here is showing risk, company risks and where it's located. So these are the basic filters. So if I'll go clear the selection, I can put any other filter like relationship, um, target company or business entity name, or I mean go with the business entity name. I can check who is managing and who is owner. Now the filter it out and it's showing this, and these are the result is coming with the last 5 pages only. So currently whatever kept extracted in the 5 pages from the annual report, these all data has been showing currently. We can check many other filter also and that will be work accordingly. These are the basically major our financial detective graph. Thank you.